I'm back out here. Right now it seems like half my state is on fire, Washington. We have smoke coming in from Canada, the wildfires up there. And so I haven't been out here because it's just hard to breathe. I have asthma, but, well, I haven't been down here and doing any work because of the air quality. I did some shopping on Temu. I've only bought from them, this is my third time, and the first time I bought something for myself. The first time I went on there, I wanted to get something for my sister, and I typed in mushroom. What I was looking for did not pop up. But once I fixed my search and made it more specific, I was able to get something. And then because of what popped up when I typed in mushroom is while I bought my second order. During Christmas time, my husband wanted to adopt a family, and so I had to go and find out where to get a family. And in my search I found 90% of the Christmas stuff is for kids, nothing for the adults. So I went on to Temu and I bought a case of mini rechargeable back massagers to donate to the single moms. If there's a single mom has money, she's not going to spend it on herself, she's going to get it for her kids. So that's why I wanted to make sure they were rechargeable so that she wouldn't have to spend money on batteries or whatnot. And it was discreet enough that it looked like a back massager. But I never bought anything for myself until now. And I was shocked at how cheap the stuff was. And I've been going on to Temu about every other day since then, and I see that the prices are always fluctuating. I thought that some of the stuff I got was a steal, but then I go on after it's delivered and I see like it's almost doubled in price, but then the next time I go on there it'll be $3 cheaper. So if you want something, you might have to watch it, but maybe I just got lucky. Some things I might have spent a couple more bucks on if I would have bought it a different day, but it was still cheaper than if I went on to Amazon or the local store. So I'll start with the cheapest things that I got, and then we'll work our way up. All right, this right here was the cheapest thing I got. It was $3, and I got 4 of them. And what they are is just solar powered string of lights. These were $3 a pop, so I could put them around the top of my gardens. I don't know if it'll work in the dark, or in the light I mean. But yeah, I tried them out at home, and I haven't undone it yet. But for $3, I didn't care if it worked or not, because I'm like, $3, it's a deal. And these were a deal. Did I already cut it? Yeah. I got 200 for $3. Not something people shop for online, but these are pins for my weed barriers. I can never have enough. And 200 for $3. I think it cost more to ship them than it did for the actual product. But again, if you spend so much, the shipping's free. And I spent plenty. And then the next cheapest thing I got, these. Because I don't have any of these bits at home. We have like ones that are maybe this tall. But I got 4 of these for like $9.08. They're bits to drill in stumps, and they're at least a foot long, and I got fat ones and then a thin one. And I tried this one on my neighbor's stump at my house. I'm like, if it breaks, oh well, it was $10 max. No, hasn't busted yet. So I'm gonna try those out in a little bit when it cools down. But yeah, $10 for 4 of those. Cheaper than Harbor Freight. I looked at Harbor Freight, it's cheaper than them. This, I didn't even know, I forgot I bought it until it came, like, what's today? It came like 2 days ago. I forgot that I bought it. This I think was $14. There's no way I'd get this for that price at Cabela's. Solar powered trail camera. I can mount it to my garden and see the bunnies or the deer what come close to it. But yeah. And it has its own built-in memory card, which is awesome. Yeah, $14 for this, and it has screws that I could mount it to my garden. I don't know how good it's gonna be, but I'll find out. And once I get something and I upload it to my computer, I'll share with you how good it is. Because again, at $14, I'm not expecting it to be amazing. I hope it is, but I won't know. What's the next thing? These I got 4 of them. Because even the good stuff like at Costco is 40 bucks. This was 18 bucks. No, I think it was 16. 14 or 16 for 100 feet of the extra thick, extra good weed barrier. Because this part up here, the soil is so tough, I can't do anything with it. So I'm gonna have to cover it in this and then bring in the truckload of dirt and then plant my flowers in that. Yeah, this is the nice, good, heavy-duty weed barrier. I think that can't be 4 feet because I'm 5 feet. So I think it's 3 feet by 100 feet for under 20 bucks for the extra thick stuff. And I've had stuff similar to this that is amazing. So this right here was my favorite thing. I know it's pathetic that weed barrier makes me so happy. Ooh, these are both kind of, this right here I think 18 bucks. It was under 20 bucks. I got this for my mom. "4K night vision binoculars." She's always wanted these. One of those survivalists. Nothing wrong with that. Could have worse problems, but here. Let's see if I could test it out here. Okay, let's see. Can we see it? Oh, I think I'm in a spider web. Shiza. Oh, I don't want a spider on me. Ooh, I might have a creep. Sorry, I'll cut that part out. Ooh. Okay, so there we go. I'm looking at my stool. And then I could zoom in. And now we just do this. Now we're on infrared night vision. And see, memory card. This has a built-in camera. I could do picture mode, video mode. And then, yeah, I think for under 20 bucks at Cabela's, no way you could get this for under 20 bucks at Cabela's. But yeah, I'm gonna order a couple more of these just because it's awesome for under 20 bucks. Gotta turn it off. And it came with its own, doesn't take real batteries, you just charge it. Oh, I'm just worried I got a spider on me. I don't like them. I bought 4 of these off of Amazon for a lot more than this. 2 of these, 18 bucks. I bought from Temu, I got 6 total. Because next year I'm going to have all my dahlias up top here and more roses down there. So I'm going to have to redo half of my garden. But this is what they are. Under 20 bucks for 2 aluminum gardens. I have to put them together, but they're identical to the ones that are already down there. That's less than 10 bucks a pop. But yeah, here's the... And the ones that I got from Amazon, I don't think it's their fault. Well, maybe because they do all their deliveries now, but the corners were bent, so I'd have to straighten them out, or they'll all be cockeyed down there. These, no dings, they had, because I got 6 of them and there's 2 per. I'll show you. Instructions, those are the flat pieces. It comes with gloves and all the screws to put them together. But that amazed me. But yeah, they had all 3 of them taped on top of each other. Like, had I spent more time, I would have done a lot more damage. And I can't feel bad because prices are crazy. And then the last thing, I've seen these on many YouTube videos that I watch, people sponsoring them. Because out here on my property, I don't have any power. And I have a old garage, no power unless I run an extension cord. So if I want lights or anything, I got this guy. I see everybody has them, but I don't want to pay $500. So I paid 95 bucks for a portable power station. I could have got a solar panel with it for 50 more bucks, but I thought that was a little pricey for Temu, so I'm like, I'll just shop around. Because until then, I can plug it into the wall and juice it up in the house. Oh, and it's 300 watts. 300 watts. I don't know what that means. To me, I see power, but my hubby told me, he's like, no, that's pretty good for under 100 bucks. But yeah, plug stuff in there, got a lighter. Regular outlets, USBs. That's the input to plug it into the wall to charge it. I think that's a light. Ooh, and I got also like a flashlight. I didn't know about that. I don't know if you can tell that it's lit up. Then it goes off. But yeah, this little guy, under 100 bucks. After tax, being Washington State, they're ridiculous. It's like 9.1 now. So after our state tax, it's probably just over 100 bucks. But that's pretty awesome, because I don't see anybody on their YouTube ads with one that's under 100 bucks. And as I use this, I'll let you guys know if it dies or if it works. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. And again, if it died, or I don't know if it's waterproof, but if something happened to it, I'm not going to lose sleep over a $100 power station. But if I spent $500 bucks on one and something happened, if I accidentally left it out here and Mother Nature got it all wet, I'd be a little upset. But I'm pretty excited. And I'm probably going to go buy more stuff. But I think I might kick the video now, or just set some stuff up. I might try these drill bits, see if I can set the camera up, see if I could try a couple of these things out. And again, if I break them, not a lot of money. And it's pretty exciting when you get it in the mail. Like, I forgot I ordered some things like the game kermit. I totally forgot about it, and it shows up. I'm like, awesome. I also got a couple gifts, so I'm not showing everything that I bought. But this is the stuff that I bought for myself, except for those for my mom, but I'm gonna buy some for me. So if you know any secrets to getting the amazing deals on Temu, please share, because now I'm obsessed. I used to be obsessed with Prime, but now I'm obsessed with this. And because there's like Temu USA, I got it all in less than a week. I didn't have to wait like a month. The first time I ordered, it took a long time to get there, but that was over a year ago. But now, quick. But yeah, pretty awesome. And let me know what else I should get on Temu that's cheap that I could use out here on the property. I haven't looked at power tools yet, which I might. Probably not a good idea, but at least got some power tool accessories, some gardens to put together. Oh, and I spent 20 bucks on a 12-pound weighted vest. I've been wanting one of those for a while, but I'm not going to spend 80 bucks on one on Prime. But because here I have to carry everything up and down a hill, I wanted to strengthen my upper body. Like, I'll wear it to check the mail or around the house when I do stuff. For under 20 bucks for a weighted vest. Pretty awesome. And it even has a cell phone holder in it. But yeah, let's see what I can do now. Thanks, guys. I may have lied. I thought I got a roll that was 3 feet by 100 feet. And it is actually 6 feet by 100 feet. So I start all the way back here. Look how far this sucker goes. And I looked it up at my prices, and this roll was $15. I kind of wish I could use it as a slip and slide now, seeing how long this really is. But it's crazy. I did not think it would cover this much. But I have to roll it up because snakes are going to want to go on it for all the heat. Pretty amazing for 15 bucks. Out of the 4 bits, this is not the biggest, it's the second to the biggest. And I got them just so I can drill into these, so let's see how it goes. That's pretty good. I mean, that's a foot long. Ooh, that's that one didn't go far. I don't want to kill this drill. Again, it breaks down to about $2.50 per bit. Well, I think this guy might be getting dead. I like that it goes deep. Well, I guess it doesn't drill deep in all parts of it. I just don't want it to smoke because everything's so dry right now and on fire. But hang on, I got like 4 more stumps right here. Let's see. This guy doesn't look too alive. Still haven't busted it. Ooh, but that's hot. This is hot. Might just do 1 more for the day, then call it a day. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day while I'm ahead because I don't always do that and I want to end on a good note. So thanks again.